Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. This is an example question of improper fractions of case 1. This question is from November 21, paper 3-2. An important advice: we should be humble. Before splitting this fraction into partial fractions, we need to observe three things. Number 1, type of fraction. Number 2, denominator. And number 3, types of factors. For type of fraction, we need to observe the highest powers of variables both in numerator and denominator. In denominator, the highest power of variable is 2. In numerator, the highest power of variable is also 2. So this fraction is improper. Now observe the denominator. There are two linear factors and both factors are in their simplified form. So denominator is fine. Let's split this fraction into partial fractions. First copy this fraction. Since this fraction is improper, so this will start with a constant. Now make two fractions for two linear factors. Two x minus 1, x minus 3. Since both factors are linear, so write constants in their numerators and call it equation 1. Now get the values of x for these two constants. X half, x3, and we find value of this constant by comparing the coefficient method. Now remove all these fractions by multiplying all fractions on both sides with this denominator. 2x minus 1, x minus 3, everywhere with this term as well. So we have 4x square, 13x, 13, a times 2x minus 1, x minus 3, b times x minus 3, and c times 2x minus 1. Now you need to multiply a with this term and this term in order to compare the highest power of x on both sides. So on right side we are getting 2a x square. Now copy the term of x square from left side. We are comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So 4 is equal to 2a. Therefore, a is 2. This is the way to find the value of first constant in improper fractions. Now let's substitute x3 into this equation. So we have 9 for the 36, 13 3 the 39, plus 13. When we will substitute 3 here, this will become 0, this will also become 0. So we'll get only this term, 5c. So 36 minus 39, so we have 10 on left side. Therefore c is 2. Now let's substitute x half into this equation. So we'll get 1 instead of 4x square, then 13 upon 2, then 13. Again these two terms will become 0, this one and this one. When we will substitute half here, this will become 0, this will also become 0. So we'll get only this term. half. So when we will substitute half here, we'll get minus 5 upon 2b. Minus 5 upon 2 times b. So these two will become 14, and when we will take LCM, we'll get 28. 28 minus 13 makes 15. So we are getting 15 on left side, 15 upon 2 in fact, and minus 5 upon 2 with b on right side. So the value of b is minus 3. Now substitute the values of a, b and c into equation 1. So a was 2 and b was negative 3 and c was 2. So this is the partial fraction of this improper fraction. I will discuss case 2 example in my next lecture, inshallah. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.